Merry Christmas everybody सबसे पहले
कितनी एक्साइटमेंट है क्रिसमस को लेकर?
बहुत हमारे घर पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिसमस की एक्साइटमेंट रहती है क्योंकि हम बचपन से सेलिब्रेट करते आए हैं. सो इवन हियर इन मुंबई हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे भी क्रिसमस इतना एंजॉय करें जितनी हम की है फॉर मेनी ईयर्स. सो हम घर पे ट्री लगाते हैं, डेकोरेट करते हैं, वी बेक कुकीज़ एंड स्टफ. सो पूरा क्रिसमस का माहौल शुरू हुआ है. And I'm so glad we got to come out today. Hamleys play area जो है, you know, I've been wanting to come for a while, and this is such a great opportunity क्योंकि it's, you know, Christmas and they have the full festive spirit happening. और उनका आज 10 का 10 the top 10 toys का launch था जो बच्चे तो पागल हो गए उनको देख के. उनको तो सब चाहिए. But I've told them that you guys get to each choose one thing. So वो लगे seeing what should I pick, what should you pick. And मैंने बोला don't choose same things. Choose something different so you guys can have something to play with.
Okay, so इस बार किस तरह से ये क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने वाली हैं आप?
We're celebrating at home. You know, we do have gifts on Christmas Day, and KV हमेशा Santa बनते हैं. And so they believe also. So we do that, and we do attend Christmas parties, and especially बच्चों के साथ हम attend करते हैं क्योंकि Christmas is so special for children. And I really like that इस mall में, इस दुकान में there's Santa here, there's so much, it's a Christmas feel, and they said, wow, it's like Merry Christmas in here. So I like taking them out during this time of year also to see कैसे around the city पे what's happening for Christmas.
अब तक का अगर बेस्ट क्रिसमस बोला जाए तो वो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे क्या कुछ है अब तक का बेस्ट क्रिसमस आपके लिए?
You know, I think every year पिछले साल से best ही होता जा रहा है. Last year was my best because my baby daughter was born. She was born on December 16th, so it was a very special Christmas for us. It's beautiful. She came just in time. It was her first Christmas, and it was, you know, so emotional and exciting. Everything, you know, in 2020 एक बहुत मुश्किल साल था. It was a hard year, so she was the best thing to come out of 2020.
जैसा कि आपने बोला कि ये 16 दिसंबर को फिर से बर्थडे आने वाला है, किस तरह से उसको मनाने वाले हैं आप?
हम तो पूरा, because her name is Gia Vanessa Snow, इन्होंने उनका नाम Snow रखा था, so we're having a Snowflakes Winter Wonderland. So हम पाँच छः babies, हाँ जी. They will not give it to you. You have to buy it. You have to wait. This is mom's job. If I don't make money, how will I buy candy? Baby, please let me finish, my love.
What do you want to say?
They want candy. What do you
Are
guys
you
want?
excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
You?
Are you? Yes or no?
Please stay.
अभी थोड़े candy दिख रही है ना तो मिल नहीं रही. So they're a little waiting candy.
So मैम आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि इस बार और क्या कुछ खास करने वाली हैं आप?
Yeah, so we have so on the 16th we have a party happening at home, a little Christmas birthday party for my baby, and on Christmas Eve we celebrate, we sing songs and stuff, and we also, you know, I let them choose a gift for themselves, and also we always do a lot of stuff. We go to orphanages and buy gifts and give over there because the whole spirit of Christmas is about giving, you know, and Christmas is a time when people do kind of give a little extra, a little more, and I think we should help everybody feel that spirit. So lots of plans for Christmas.
So please give one wish for audience.
I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. ऐसे मत सोचिए कि ये सिर्फ Christians के लिए है, ये सिर्फ इन लोगों के लिए है. Christmas is for everybody. जैसे all our Indian festivals we love to celebrate together. सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस का स्पिरिट सेलिब्रेट करो, सेलिब्रेट लव, सेलिब्रेट योर गुड हेल्थ, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग जो दुनिया में हो रहा है, द बिगेस्ट गिफ्ट इज़ योर गुड हेल्थ. सो सेलिब्रेट दैट, spend time with your loved ones. That's my wish for you.